Welcome with Cooking with Granny and Momma Soul Kitchen. Today we are going over our vegetarian omelet, everybody. This is just so friendly. We have some sauteed onions. We have mushrooms here that we have all incorporated together. We have it sauteed. Then we added some fresh spinach. Oh, spinach is so good. And it's very good and high in iron, everyone. So this is really good for omelets, okay? We let that saute a little bit down. We added some more extra butter right there. And that's what we added in with our onions and our mushrooms as well. So nice and flavorful. So now here it is later, about 5 minutes later, we went on and added some fresh garlic. Oh yes, we love garlic, especially around this time. Mosquitoes is out there, flying around. They don't like garlic. But anyway, we have eggs here. You gotta season and flavor up your egg yolks, everybody, and your eggs, everybody, because of the fact that it's gonna be boring if you just add salt and pepper. I just don't know why people do that. But we add like powder, garlic powder, onion powder, some Laurys and some garlic salt as well. And then we went on and mixed it up real good and poured it inside of our nice sauteed skillet of our vegetables over here. Now this is really eco-friendly for nice vegetarian lovers. We're gonna let it simmer for a little bit, about a good 3 fresh salsa, everybody. We have a nice kick here of medium flavored salsa. Then we're gonna add that and let that cook for another 5 minutes on low. It's like a low heat, everybody, okay? Low medium. Then we added some fresh shredded 5 flavored cheeses, Fiesta cheese, everybody. It has so much flavor that makes it nice and cheesy, okay? We're gonna make sure to spread it around. We're gonna let that cook a little bit more for another 5 minutes. And then look at this. We added some Swiss cheese for extra pizzazz and extra tang to that cheese, everybody. Oh, I can't have no omelets with no cheese, without cheese, everybody. Okay, now look at this. We're gonna kind of loosen up the edges here. Make sure it doesn't, stick to the edges. But look at that, it doesn't. Then it's okay for it to run down on the sides because we're gonna let that cook too. Now remember, so like a low medium heat, we're gonna let it cook nice and slow. Now look at this. After another 5 minutes, we're gonna flip it over and look at that, everybody. Voila! Look at that. Oh, it's so delicious. I'm telling you, this is how we do our omelets. This is our weekend omelets. No meat inside of it, just nice mushrooms and shredded cheeses and spinach and all that good old stuff. And we're gonna let it cook a little longer. And we're going to see that right here. Look at that, how the cheese just melts. You just want to make sure your cheese is melted all throughout. And look at that little bubbling sensation up there. This is perfect, everybody. This is a nice omelet for if you're vegetarian or if you're not, whatever. Go ahead and add that on. We're going to show you how to make a bagel next, everybody. Our cookbook's available on Amazon. We have Momma Soul Kitchen. There's MOMMA. And we have Just Desserts Childs for Just Desserts only. Go in there and check us out and order yours.